3, 2, 1.
Which language uses the Cyrillic alphabet? The answer is A, Russian. I'm known for the Kremlin and have the deepest freshwater lake in the world. Who am I? The answer is A, Russia. Which item helps students with spelling mistakes? The answer is B, pencil. Who is considered the world's first photojournalist? The answer is B, Jacob Riis. Which cricket bat part has a large flat surface? The answer is A, handle. In which of these movies did Adam Sandler not have a part? The answer is A, Good Luck Chuck. Your community is planning to build a new sanitary landfill. In locating the landfill, which is the most important environmental consideration? The answer is B, the location of the groundwater. What is always on when you plug it in, but never turned off when unplugged? The answer is C, battery. Which vegetable is known as artichoke when immature and globichoke when mature? The answer is A, cabbage. Which electronic device is used for digital data storage? The answer is D, memory chip. Which is not an example of animal instinct? The answer is C, hunting skills. Which novel begins with the line, "It is a truth universally acknowledged"? The answer is A, Pride and Prejudice. Bacterial DNA is contained in a large, circular strand. This single chromosome is located in a region of the cell called what? The answer is C, the nucleoid. What is the study of individual and firm behavior in making decisions on allocating resources? The answer is B, microeconomics. What color does lithium burn? The answer is A, blue. Nearly all rocks are made of what? The answer is B, minerals. The city of Rome is located in which country?
The answer is A, Italy.
What's used for straightening a crooked line or edge? The answer is C, eraser. What country did the hot dog vendor in the movie Sleepers come from? The answer is B, Greece. What occurs when water lost by transpiration is not replaced by absorption from room? The answer is B, wilting. Extinction is the term for an organism which The answer is B, zero population. A few types of birds live in the same ecosystem. Which of these characteristics would most likely affect how they compete with each other for food? The answer is C, the shapes of their beaks. Which continent is the Sahara Desert in? The answer is A, Africa. What is a percussion instrument shaped like a half moon? The answer is A, cymbal. Which item is used to brush teeth? The answer is B, brush. Which song did Randy Travis perform for the Black Dog soundtrack? The answer is D, My Greatest Fear. Adidas acquired the Salomon Group with the brands Salomon, TaylorMade, Mavic, and Bonfire in December 1997. What is the name of the new company? The answer is D, Adidas Salomon AG. Which type of shoe originated in ancient Egypt? The answer is C, sandals. What is the largest member of the cabbage family? The answer is C, kale. Who was the first U.S. president born in the USA? The answer is A, Van Buren. On the atomic level, the dissolution of an ionic compound occurs when water interacts with the what in the crystal lattice? The answer is D, ions. Which list contains the 3 species of zebras? The answer is B, Grevy's zebra, plains zebra, mountain zebra. What was the name of the first industrial city in the United States? The answer is D, New York City. Which operating system was not created by Microsoft? The answer is C, Android. What is the name of Odysseus' loyal dog in Homer's Odyssey? The answer is A, Argos. What system of organs delivers blood to all cells of the body? The answer is D, cardiovascular. Which equipment helps tennis players measure the height of the net? The answer is D, racket. What decade was Andy Dufresne sent to the Shawshank prison in the movie The Shawshank Redemption? The answer is C, 1940s. What was the first word addressed to Mission Control by Neil Armstrong when his craft landed on the Moon on July 20, 1969? The answer is A. Houston. Which author wrote The Brothers Lionheart? The answer is A. Astrid Lindgren. Oxygenated blood is transported by what system? The answer is D. Circulatory. What is the name of the salty, watery fluid secreted by sweat glands? The answer is B. Perspiration. Which instrument is known as the king of instruments in orchestras? The answer is D. Horn. In a medium, the closer the distribution of the material gets to what state, the slower the rate of diffusion becomes. The answer is A. Equilibrium. Which influential historical person was a Russian emperor? The answer is C. Peter the Great. Which item is used to strain liquid from solid food particles? The answer is A. Sieve. Which statement best describes how birth and death rates compare in a population at carrying capacity? The answer is C. The birth rate is equal to the death rate. How many Eastern Orthodox monasteries are there in the Holy Mountain in Greece? The answer is B. 20. What is a government's policy to keep interest rates low to encourage borrowing and spending? The answer is B. Monetary policy. What kind of device is the Iron Maiden invented in the 18th century?